your summer homework for the AP Statistics course. As you guys know, school is starting pretty soon, and the first day of school is when all of this homework is due. So this was pretty easy assignment. It wasn't that difficult. The first step was to join the Remind, and if you have not done so already, the code is at BXPLT in all lowercase, and you text that to 81010. Next, you had to join the Khan Academy class that I think we'll be using throughout the school year. And if you go onto the Heritage High School page and find the AP Summer Homework link and click on Statistics, there is a link on the document with all of the homework that'll take you straight to the class, and you can sign up through there. So next thing, the other assignment, you don't necessarily have to do it in this order, but this is the order that I did it. There were 4 videos posted to watch for inspiration. The first video is about an hour long, just talking about big studies and statistics and all that kind of stuff, how you see it in everyday life. Pretty interesting. It was about an hour long, and the other 3 were around 15-20 minute TED Talks about different statistical studies. So those are pretty easy to watch. You just gotta turn on your computer. Another thing that you had to do was buy a graphing calculator. So the one that was recommended is the Texas Instruments 84 Plus CE, which is the one that I have. So you can just get it off of Amazon, is where I got mine. And lastly, you had to complete the high school statistics course, which there's a link to. Now be careful not to complete the AP statistics course, because that one is a lot more difficult and longer and not the one that was assigned. I made that mistake originally until I was reminded that was not the course I was supposed to be taking. So the high school statistics course actually only has 5 units, and it's pretty basic. It's a lot of stuff that we have already learned in math in middle school, beginning of high school kind of stuff. So they just have some videos, some instructions, some practices that you have to do, and quizzes. Now that's pretty easy. If you just knock it out, you can get it done. If you still haven't started, you can finish it in just a few days. You'll be fine. So we are going to rock this school year, even though distance learning. So good luck to all of us, and get that summer homework done.